Everything's powered up and we should be able to take off and fly around. The craft is unlocked and take off. Oops. I was able to create these telemetry outputs from the log file that the Holybro flight controller makes. It's a lot less contrast on the snow today. Because as you can see, it needs very little power to fly, like about 25% stick input. We will shoot the gap in the trees. Back around, down back of the field. Nice gentle turn over the trees. I find it is a little easier to fly now that I've flattened out the expos on those sticks. The trees. Power is still okay. Last time I was flying, I had the output power on the transmitter set very low. So we're using about 700 milliwatts instead of 25 like we did the other day. I used to lose signal here in this field. Fly a little too fast and the voltage alarm goes on. $15 volts. Oh shit. Disarmed, I landed in the snow. Oh well. Well, we found the machine out in the snow. As you can see, he's got a little snow all over. It's probably best not to fly it again until we clean it off, because it kind of foreshortens our afternoon flying, but what can you do with the flat light like that? It was very, very hard to see how high above the snow I was flying, and I was actually in the snow. But the good part is the snow is soft, and it just kind of digs in and sits there. Nothing broken.